Hi, Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 10. So, what are we going to do now? We are going to do some tips and tricks for this operating system, which is Windows 10. So, you might be wondering, why Windows 10? And why not Windows 11? This is because there are still many users that still using Windows 10 rather than Windows 11, even though Windows 11 is the upgrade version of Windows 10. So, without further ado, let's move on to the tip and tricks. Let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Muhammad Arif Hafiz Haziq bin Masyun. And
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Amir Iman bin Azizam.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Faris Iskandar.
Hi, my name is Haikal Ali bin Azmi.
so, let's move on to the tip and tricks. Alright, for the first one, it's called as the slide to shutdown. So what you're gonna do is you click right and then you select new and then you select shortcut. Over here you need to type in the prompt, which is WinAir System32 slide to shutdown, and then you can click next, and right over here you can choose any kind of name that you want. Alright, for me I will choose right this. Alright, and then you can click finish, and there you have it, the new icon that when you click it, it will show you to slide your PC to shut down. Alright, but I'm not gonna do it right here. So then, if you want to have any this kind of icon, alright, so you need to click right and then you click properties, and then you can change the icon, and then you click OK, and you can choose any kind of icon that you want. Alright, for me I will choose the shutdown PC, and you click OK, and then you can apply it, and there you have it, a new icon. Alright, but you think this is more simply, you want a more fancy one, right? So you can click right and then you click properties again and change the icon. For right now you need to choose browse, right, and then you can select any kind of icon that you already downloaded or already saved in your desktop. Alright, for me I will choose here, and then you can click open, OK, and apply it, and there you have it, a new fancy one, right?
Assalamualaikum. Now we're moving on to snip and sketch. Most people are using Classic Way to snip and sketch, which is they will search for snipping tools. Then they crop what they want to snip. But we have easier way, which is we need to press Windows, Shift and S buttons simultaneously. After we crop what we want, we can sketch in picture just now, and we can save the picture to the desktop. Other than that, we can share the picture in PNG format.
Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do multi-tap tricks. Okay, multi-tap trick is a simply tricks that you can use when you have to use 2 or 3 applications simultaneously. Okay, let's begin. First of all, you choose 3 application or software. For example, I want to use Google, I want to use Microsoft Word, and I want to use Telegram. So once you open all the application or software, try to click Windows button and left button on your keyboard like this. After you click the button, the screen of your laptop or PC will show you the application that you have opened before. So on this side is my Telegram application. So on the other side, I can choose any kind of application that I want. For example, I want to choose Microsoft Word. So once I click Microsoft Word, your screen will show 2 2 applications that run simultaneously. So if you want to add another application, you can click Windows button and upper button, so it can add another application to your screen like this. So you have 3 applications that you can use on your screen simultaneously. So I can check my message, I can type any of this, and I can search any kind of research that I want.
Okay, for the next one is enable and disable the startup program. So the more startup program you have, the more impact on the boot time on the PC. That when you start every time. So now right click on the text bar and choose the task manager. Then choose startup and scroll down to any kind of startup program to disable. So right now I'm gonna choose Spotify and disable my startup program Spotify. So I'm going to right click and disable it from being my startup program. So when every time on my computer, it will never on the startup program. So close the window and refresh it, and then done. The startup program for the Spotify is disabled.
Now for Open Bean program, for admin or user to be able to simplify the task by choosing any kind of program or apps at the taskbar. Alright, firstly, this is the first program, this is second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Now we need to press down Windows and any number that I told you just now. Alright, let's see. We Windows and I press 1, it will pop up the first program. Alright, next I need to open the browser, so I press Windows and 2. Alright, it will show the browser. Next one, I need to open the File Explorer. I press Windows 3. Alright, it will pop up. Alright, and so it will continue and so on.
Okay, now I'm going to present on what is graphic setting preference on Windows 10. First of all, press window and type setting on the search. Then find system and clear it. Just scroll down and find graphic setting. Then after you clear it, you will see over here the graphic performance preference. Then you can browse any kind of that. Okay, try to go desktop and choose any application, for example Genshin Impact, and add it. And then you can choose the option. Here you can prefer any kind of graphic performance. It have 3 preferences, which are let window decide, power saving, and high performance. And then you can save it.
Okay, next for the reliability monitor. Reliability monitor can help to report any event or the problem that occur inside the desktop. So first click window and tap reliability. Then click on view reliability history and wait for the loading window to fully load. Then we can have the event that it be set by time or date that happen on the desktop. When you click one, you can show the critical event, warning, and informational event. And when we click on the view technical issue, they will be show the description that happen in the desktop.
Now for the next one is you can change your cursor to any animated cursor. Alright, But first step, you need to download any kind of animated cursor program. Right? Just type in animated cursor, and you already have many choices. Right? Already many choices. So I already downloaded it, which is over here. Right? So firstly, you click Windows and type in mouse setting. Right? And then when you open it, click additional mouse option right over here, and then select pointers. Over here we already have many scheme, alright, but we want the customized one. Alright, you click browse and then find the customized that you already downloaded, right? And then select one by one any suitable and any kind of related of selection, and then you click open and then you apply. Alright, but right over here I already have set up the scheme, right? And then you click apply and then you click OK, and there you have it, the animated cursor, right?